So number 11 on page 72, it's a question in the C section. Write the product of A, 0 point A, the A is going to be a one-digit natural number, as well as B. So the both numbers is 0 point something, for example 0 0.5, 0 0.6, right? And then repeating. So this repeating decimal, so it could be a 0.5555 forever, or 0.666 forever. Okay. The question asking for write as a product of these two as a fraction, right? So if you can figure out the fraction for each, and then you just multiply these two fractions, would be the answer. Okay, let's try to do the first one. So 0 point A repeating is basically equal 0 point A, whatever the A is gonna repeat, right? So this one can be converted to 0 point A plus 0 0.0A, then plus 0 0.00A, and so on, right? So if you have trouble to figure out why this 0 point A equals 0 point A plus 0 0.0A, and so on, you can just simply add all this up, see if you can get back to this number. Right, you can just do a addition, a long addition, such as 0 point A plus 0 0.0A plus 0 0.00A, and so on. If you add all this together, right, so obviously you should get 0 point A, and so on. So yeah, believe that's true. And then look at this. This is just really a geometric sequence with the first term equals 0 point A, and then the common ratio, just use any term starting from the second one divided by the previous one, right? You can easily tell this is going to be 0 0.1. Okay, and you can see the 0 0.1 means each term getting smaller, right? So it's approach to zero if you follow this pattern, repeat this pattern. So this is a infinite geometric sequence if you look at each term, but if you add them together, it's called infinite geometric series, and with r less than 1, so we should have a finite sum. So now we can write this, right? This means when this term goes forever, we can add each term together. We should have a finite sum using this formula T1 1 minus R. Okay, since we already know everything, I'm sorry I made a mistake here. So this one is just simply 0 point A, not 0 0.2. So we don't really know what the A is, but it's fine. We don't need to know it. So, and then this is 0 point A. On the bottom is 1 minus R is 0 0.1. And then you should get 0 point A, 1 minus 0 0.1 equals 0 0.9. Okay, and then to simplify this, we don't want to have the decimal, so we multiply 10 and multiply 10 both on the numerator and denominator. So we should get back to 10 times 0 0.8, we got A. 10 times 0 0.9, we got a 9. So yes, the sum is A over 9. Whatever the A is, the result is different depending on what A is. Now obviously for the 0 point B. Now we don't have to repeat exactly same thing here, except the A you can change to B. It's just a different natural one-digital natural number. So obviously you can tell this one should be B over 9. Okay, and finally, of course, the answer you need to figure out is the product, right? So the answer would be the product of these two fractions. Of course, we just multiply these two fractions together, right? And then multiply two fractions, numerator multiply numerator, denominator multiply denominator. So you got 81 here. Oh, 81. Okay, so we're done this question.